Have you ever felt like you're pouring your heart and soul into your business only to see your conversion rate at a disheartening 0%? Trust me, I've been there. I've had a lot of clients who've been there, but fear not. Today we're diving deep into a step-by-step guide into reviving that conversion rate. Stick around because we're about to transform those numbers for you. Let me paint a picture for you. I once met a passionate entrepreneur who was crafting the most delicate, exquisite, handmade leather jackets. However, despite her dedication, her website conversion rate flatlined at 0% when she launched. That's when I stepped in and implemented these 3 game-changing strategies that took her business to new heights. The first crucial step in breathing life into a conversion rate that is just less than ideal is really understanding your audience. So imagine having to do a presentation to a group of people at a conference. You don't know anything about them or the conference or anything. Would you speak to them without knowing anything, right? Without knowing any of their interest, without knowing what the conference is all about, without knowing where the conference is, where these people are coming from?
Of course not, right?
You need to conduct surveys, analyze the data, get inside the minds of your audience. My friend realized that she wasn't effectively communicating her product value because she hadn't truly understood her potential buyers. So we helped her decipher her audience pain points, desires, and preferences, which allowed her to tailor her messaging directly to their needs. And guess what? Her engagement improved. So what we need to understand here is that you're driving in traffic, but you need to understand who that traffic is. A quick little tidbit for you: if you don't have Microsoft Clarity installed in your Shopify store, make sure to do that right away. The second key point is making sure that you're clicking on that like button and subscribing to our channel to get the most out of your conversion rate. So now let's go to the next step. Let's talk about user experience. Now, that's the heartbeat really of conversion rates. So have you ever visited a website that felt like navigating through it was a labyrinth, it was frustrating, and it was just not easy to get to the actual products that you wanted? Streamlining your website's navigation, optimizing for mobile, ensuring that there's a smooth checkout process, all those things are vital. So we revamped my friend's website, simplifying it and making it user-friendly. Something simple you can do today is adding new arrivals and bestsellers to the top of your navigation and moving any links that doesn't take you directly to products or collections of products to your footer menu. Now, the result of improving the user experience overall is a drastic increase in conversion. By prioritizing the user experience, she not only retained visitors, but converted more of them into paying customers. Now, I have a list of the top 10 things that you need to be doing to improve user experience on your website. These are the top 10 things that I think every single store owner should be doing on their site. If you want this list, please let us know in the comments below by saying conversion list. I also want to let you know about our website VIP Day, where we build or redesign your Shopify store within 24 hours. You can find more about that in the link below. Now, next on the journey to reviving conversion rates is to bolster social proof and those little trust factors. We conducted a thorough audit of her website, ensuring it showcased glowing testimonials, trust badges, and endorsements from satisfied customers. Now, by strategically placing social proof, we actually instill confidence in her potential buyers, alleviating any reservations they might have had. This trust building exercise significantly elevates conversion rates, and this has been proven. Now remember, you can have reviews not only on your actual product page, but having highlighted reviews within your homepage, within your collection page, within your product pages, all throughout your website, showcasing social proof or even showcasing trust badges throughout your website. It's a good practice. Now, 2 great apps for you to try for reviews is Judge Me and Junip. All great apps at a low cost. Now remember, understanding your audience, optimizing the user experience, and adding social proof and trust indicators are the trifecta to resuscitating a 0% conversion rate. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are thriving conversion rates. So implement these strategies, analyze and adapt. Your business success story is just waiting to unfold. It takes time, people. If you found this insightful, then this next video is going to be even better because we talk about every stage, not just the 0% conversion, but the 1%, the 2%, the 3%, and we'll show you different things that you could be doing for each stage. See you on the next video.